Hebrews 11 verse 1, now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Matthew 17 verse 20, he replied, because you have so little faith. Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. James 1 verse 6, but when you ask, you must believe and not doubt, because the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. Romans 10 verse 17, consequently, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7, for we live by faith, not by sight. Psalm 46 verse 10, be still, and know that I am God, I will be exalted among the nations, I will be exalted in the earth. Mark 11 verses 22 to 24, have faith in God, Jesus answered. Truly I tell you, if anyone says to this mountain, go, throw yourself into the sea, and does not doubt in their heart but believes that what they say will happen, it will be done for them. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Ephesians 6 verse 16, in addition to all this, take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Psalm 37 verse 5, commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him and He will do this. 1 Peter 1 verses 8 to 9, though you have not seen Him, you love Him, and even though you do not see Him now, you believe in Him and are filled with an inexpressible and glorious joy, for you are receiving the end result of your faith, the salvation of your souls. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.